Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can add timestamp to your webcam. So for me, I use this setup for my parking station to record an e-commerce order. So later I can, if something wrong with the order, I can dispute. Okay, it's easy. First, you go to this website and app.swift.net/SwiftTrack and register an account. It's easy, and you confirm your email, and then you're ready to go. And by the way, this is for Windows only. So for other systems like macOS, it's not working. So to use it, it's easy. So you just need to plug the webcam into the PC and use it as a normal webcam, and you can select your webcam. So I have 4 here. This is like the built-in webcam that you can see me there. And for me, I select the eMeet Smart Cam. All right. So let's say I want to record this parking station. I can use it to scan this QR code. It's very easy. Just like that, and the camera can detect the QR code from here and start the recording section. And let's say now I start packing the order, as you can see. And this camera is good because it has autofocus. I don't know if you can see it here. Yeah, so it clearly shows the information of the order, something like that. I don't know where you are, but in Vietnam, this is like dealing with e-commerce orders, crazy. So after that, I hit enter to stop the recording, and there you go. So this is the video, and with the timestamp that later on you can check this order. If something wrong, you can get the order quickly. And let me show you how it looks. So there you go. You can see that it had timestamp, and as well as the order number, but it behind display. Oh, there you go. There you see that the name of the packer, the order ID, as well as obviously the backing video with clearly shows that what's going on with the order. So I hope you like it. Thank you for watching.